Hey everybody, Zach Wolf here with another great Top 5 Tuesday. This week it's the top 5 reasons that Zoom court hearings are superior, yes you heard that right, superior to in-person hearings. Now recently I sent out a quite controversial tweet where I said that yes, of course, jury trials are better in person. That's pretty obvious, but I added that I think non-jury evidentiary hearings are actually better by Zoom. And here are the 5 reasons why. Okay, number 5. The disadvantages of remote hearings are often overstated. Yes, there are some disadvantages to doing hearings via Zoom. Sometimes the lawyer and witness talk over each other more and it's awkward. You might have some of those awkward pauses. But I've found after you do it for a little while, it gets pretty natural and pretty easy. It's not really that hard. The number 4 reason Zoom hearings are superior to in-person hearings: convenience. Yes, think about it. You can do a Zoom hearing from just about anywhere. All you need is a decent internet connection. You can do it from home. You can do it from your office. You could, in theory, do it from the beach while on vacation. Just set up one of those backdrops that looks like your office. And also witnesses. If you've got a witness out of state or in another city, think about the convenience of being able to have that witness appear by Zoom. Number 3, this one's a little subtle, but I've noticed that I think there's less what I'll call grandstanding by the lawyers when you do the hearing by Zoom. You know, raising your voice, pounding the table, stomping your feet, those kind of things just don't play as well when you're on a video screen. And, you know, that's probably the reason some lawyers don't like the Zoom hearings, but I think overall that's an improvement. Number 2 is my personal favorite. I almost put it number 1, but it's really just personal to me, so I'm going to stick with number 2. And that is that you can use the share screen feature to show documents in the Zoom hearing. I love that feature. Now, in theory, you can do that in the courtroom too, depending on how your courtroom is equipped. It just seems like it never really works out that way. I love it when I can show a document on my screen and immediately focus the judge's attention or the witness's attention on that document. I also have the ability from my laptop to immediately pull up any exhibit or pleading or other document or case law that I want to show the court. And I've found that for in-person hearings, it just doesn't work that smoothly. And finally, the number 1 reason Zoom hearings are superior to in-person hearings, yes, of course, it's the cost savings to the client. Now, if you work in the corporate big law world, maybe the cost of travel, the travel time, all of that, maybe it's not that big a deal to your multi-billion-dollar global corporation client. But in my practice, I represent a lot of individuals and small to medium-sized businesses, and the cost savings to them for not having to spend half a day or more just to go to a hearing, that can be pretty significant to them. And that's something that I think judges should take into account, even post-COVID, when deciding whether to hold hearings in person or by Zoom. Okay, those are my top 5 reasons Zoom hearings are better than in-person hearings. I'm talking about non-jury hearings. Did I miss one? What's your favorite? Let me know. Or if you disagree, I want to hear from you and tell me why. And hey, please smash that like button, subscribe, comment, share, and hey, thanks for watching.